Michael Church, Crawl Space Ninja. I am here with Cody from Wilmington, North Carolina, and he's here doing some training in Knoxville. So I decided to have him on and do a video with me, and we're going to answer a question from Martinez, Georgia about noise of the dehumidifier. We, I don't think, covered this topic before, so this is going to be a good topic. If you got a dehumidifier that's making a lot of noise, maybe you hear it at night or something like that, we're going to give you some tips on how to address that. Stay tuned. So if you're new to Crawl Space Ninja, we talk about everything related to crawl space encapsulation, dehumidification, and waterproofing. We hope you'll subscribe to our channel, ring that notifications bell, follow us on Facebook, and make sure you check out our DIY store and our franchise opportunities. So Michael in Martinez, Georgia, I'm going to read the question to you, Cody, and I'll have you answer it for me. So I had a full encapsulation with a dehumidifier installed last summer, and it is wonderful. Our dehumidifier, whenever it is running, is now vibrating the floors and making a lot of noise in my living room. Is there any way to help quiet the noise of the dehumidifier?
Well, Michael, that's a common question that we get. If it was an older unit, I would recommend a maintenance process on it and maybe a replacement. But since it's a new unit, there are a few things we can do. Okay. First, we can install insulation on the subfloor right above the dehumidifier. Right. And that'll bring down how much noise and vibrations coming through the floor. Right. The other thing we can do is installing insulated ductwork, same as an HVAC system, onto the dehu, and we'd run that a few feet away from the unit. And that mitigates the vibration of the unit as that air is moving through the duct. Right. And 99% of the time, that solves the problem. That's good. And if you have even more, especially the April air, they have a collar. A lot of units make you buy a collar for ducting the air, but April air comes with the collar already. So you add that collar onto it. It also makes it easy to pick up. I don't know if you ever had to pick up one of them heavy dehus, but having those collars are nice. And then you run that ducting like you said, and then if it still doesn't solve it, you can even add some ducting on the intake side along with the subfloor insulation you're talking about, and that should mitigate the problem. Absolutely. That's right. So, and if that doesn't, please let us know in the comments down below, or if you had an issue with the dehumidifier making noise and you took care of it, we also want you to put those in the comments down below too. So Cody, appreciate you being on this video with me. And I'm Michael Church with Crawl Space Ninja. We hope you make it a happy and blessed day, and we'll see you later.